Hi everyone, this is part 2 of Google homepage, your IG page. There are a couple of tricks I did not show you the last one, so this will be short and sweet. When you get to your Google IG front page, after you've decided on a theme, you might want to change the theme. Now, I have just a plain Google theme right now, so there's nothing fancy. If you roll over the top of the icons, you're going to get what's called a tooltip. So here's where you add more gadgets. The next icon says change theme, so we're going to click on the change theme button. I'm going to choose, let me choose the Sea of Fog. It automatically pops behind this window, so you can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes, I want the Sea of Fog. And then right here is the X that turns this window off. But you can go ahead and continue working your way down through the different themes, and there's pages and pages of them. And then click on them to see what it looks like, a preview, and then click this this X to get out of that window. All right, so now I have the Sea of Fog as part of my theme. It's a little bright, but I'm going to leave that right now. The other thing is adding gadgets and taking gadgets away. If you don't want a gadget, you look for the gear. Right here's the gear, and then you can delete this gadget. Now we added the Google Calendar last time, but I'm going to go ahead and say delete this calendar. Do you want to delete the calendar? Yes. Okay. And now I have just 2 gadgets on my page. To add a gadget, you'd go back to Add Gadgets. I'm going to say I want the Google Calendar back. I've decided on that. It is now added. You're going to go back to iGoogle right up here on the left-hand side, and the Google Calendar is back. The last thing I want to show you is you can move your gadgets around. So the more important ones are at the top of the page, and podcasts or RSS feeds are down below at the bottom. So the calendar is okay, but let me go down here to the weather, which you cannot see. When you roll over the top of this title bar, you're going to get a 4-headed arrow. So I'm going to go down here to the weather and get that 4-headed arrow. And as I click and drag the ghost up, you're going to get, there it is, a dotted line. And the dotted line is a placement line to tell you where it's going to be placed when you let go of the mouse. So I'm going to let go, and my weather was just put up there. Now Google Mail is important to me, so I clicked on the title bar, got the ghost, here's the dotted line, and I think you can actually have 3 columns out. Here's a 3rd column right there. And all the way down your page, so you can line up your gadgets according to their importance and have them visible. So that's how you delete gadgets, add a gadget, and change your theme. Hope you're having fun with this.